Hey guys, now we're going to speak about the brand Tommy Hilfiger. We'll start with the establishment date and how it was established. It was established in the year 1985, and just due to our Indian person, Mr. Mohan Murjani, who insisted Mr. Tommy Jacob Hilfiger to start his own label, and the name was insisted by him, Tommy Hilfiger. And since that time, it's that year it started, and now it's a multi-billionaire company. After starting this brand, Tommy Jacob Hilfiger, he went through urban places and you can say the outskirts, and studied about the trend, off trend, in trend, and he started working out on workwear and urban collection. So still you can see in Tommy Hilfiger there are lots of urban wear, the checks which is having a Tommy Hilfiger back logo print, and there are some polos you can find with the Tommy Hilfiger, and the chinos, and which resembles urban wear and workwear features. And now come to the products and all. They have a good line of t-shirt, polos, and shirts, t-shirt, poplin shirts, which they call is a Symbian collection, chinos, denims, and women's wear and children's wear. And the best collection, the best product of them is polo t-shirts and shirt, which sells a lot. And they have a membership policy, which is silver, gold, and platinum. Silver, when you purchase of 10,000, you become the silver member, and you get a 500 rupees gift voucher that we can redeem in 2 months. And then on the purchase of 20,000, you become gold member, and then from then you get 10% discount on every purchase, and no matter whatever the amount is, bill is. And next they have a logo system where they have your name with the on the branding on the back of their logo. And the third thing, they have market targeted a premium customer very well. Like I still remember I used to work in Calvin Klein, and that time we and Tommy were a very good competitor, and I could see they have very fixed customers. You can say at that time in 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, Tommy was the number one selling brand, and still you can see that it's not just because of one thing, the kind of standard they maintain, which is the staff grooming, and the store how they maintain their stock rotation. The very important thing is the stock rotation. In every season, you can see the 8 drops, which is like divided into 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and 4A, 4B. And they have and at the same time they have fits. You can say they are semi-formal people. They love to wear Tommy Hilfiger brand a lot, and as still I can remember the loyalty of their customers are beyond the par. Like once the people who buy Tommy, they just buy Tommy only. It's not about the customer service, it's just because of their products. Because as far as we know, the customer service is not as great as what other companies or what we do. It's like their product just sell from their shelves. But still, yes, you can see vast range, vast collection, like in polos, which starts from 2,999 to 5,499, and t-shirts 1,999 to 4,999, and shirts which starts from 4,999 to 7,999. And you can see around 40 to 50 color styles in polos. In shirts you can see 30 35 styles, 40 45 styles, and sometimes, and in t-shirts you can see 40 45 styles, and yes, chinos and other products. And now when it comes to denim, now they have started their focus on denim. Before, Tommy Hilfiger was not as good at, not very good in denims. I can say after Mr. Amit, who was a merchandiser with Murjani BMI, Calvin Klein, after he joining Tommy Hilfiger, I think they bended to a more towards uh, denims. And again, they have a discounting system every year going on. They have some promotion going on, like giving a gift vouchers, and twice a year again, like other company, they also have a sale. And in India, Tommy Hilfiger has gone through a lot of changes since the time they came to India. It was Mohan Murjani. Then later it came down to Mr. Vijay Murjani, the son of Mohan Murjani, was with them. They changed the name to Brand Marketing India (BMI). Then it went to Arvind, and then there are lots of changes. But still, after all these changes, they have still maintained their standard of products and staffs. Thank you, guys. Sorry. Before telling thank you, they are fast moving products. Yes, they are fast moving products are polos and shirts. But after US polo coming in, and you can say almost dominating a market, almost, not exactly, not everywhere, but at certain places, they are giving a tough competition to Tommy Hilfiger when it comes to polos and shirts. And you can see a lot of clientele of Tommy Hilfiger have switched to US polo. And again, I can say the Tommy Hilfiger. I don't think after coming Armani Exchange to India, there has been a tough competition, and it's like we have given them a run for money because a lot of clientele for Tommy Hilfiger have switched to Armani Exchange as well. So the US Polo and again Tommy Hilfiger has affected them a lot in the market. Cool. Thank you.